Hi, Sir Joel. Sir Joel, it's been a while since we saw you doing projects na horror. I think yung last mo was Sanib, years ago. Kumusta na po kayo ngayon working with this genre? How was it working with this genre compared to, nakilala ka namin ito, heavy drama, action. Kumusta na po kayo working horror?
That's true. No? The last few films I had was a drama kay Lolo and the Kid, may comedy na naman. Pero I tried to stay away from doing horror, but when I saw the script and the challenges ng characters, yun naman ang nagpapaano sa akin nagpapatanggap ng isang project. Nakita ko yung how intricate it is. Huwag lang tayo mag-spoiler alert, no? Hindi tayo pwedeng magbigay. Pero nakita ko yung horror na it's also a psychological horror. Hindi lang siya horror na horror as in plain horror, but both of them. And I enjoyed working with the cast. Si Yasi, nakita ko kung paano na siya nag-mature. I knew sa from Provinciano. Ano siya, she was a dedicated actress. Pero lalo dito, nakita ko how hardworking she is. Hindi siya kontento na okay na yun. Gusto niya kukunin yung eksena. And she worked so hard for it. It's worth watching her reaction to the genre of horror films. And si Direk naman, nakakagulat na sumusulat pala kayo ng ganitong genre, which is surprising, no? Kasi ang maganda kay Direk, iba-ibang klaseng pelikula rin ang ginagawa niya. And at the same time, I welcome that idea na kailangan kayang gawin kahit ano pang ibibigay sa'yo, kakayanin mo. Because as an actor, as a professional actor, you should be able to deliver. Thank you.